All right, time for another custom lift truck here at Mills Buick GMC in Oshawa. What we have here is the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. Four-wheel drive crew cab. It is the all-terrain edition, and added to that, you got a 5-inch rough country lift. You got those beautiful 20-inch fuel wheels, the Goodyear Duratrac tires. So much to see in this all-terrain truck, so let's jump on in and start taking a look around. All leather upholstery through here. You've got that red stitching, which is unique to the all-terrain editions. We're going to jump on in and take a look around left to right. And thankfully for me, I have the off-road steps here, because with that lift, I'd have a hard time climbing in there, that is for sure. You got your trailer brake here on the left, four-wheel drive select. And we're going to fire this engine up. 5.3 liter engine. You got the Bose audio. Power folding mirrors, so all you need to do is hold that button down and you're going to see those folding mirrors in action. Integrated turn signals as well.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode. Connected by
memory seat and memory mirrors there with 2 presets. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Yeah, it's a heated steering wheel as well. Headlights, turn signals, intermittent wipers. The gear shifter with tow mode. The hazards, hands-free calling and voice command, driver information center menu, so you can scroll through here and see all the info you need to know about your lifted all-terrain right there at your fingertips. Got the gear shifter with tow mode. That's going to take us to the touch screen, which is full color, AM, FM, Sirius XM, satellite radio, time and temperature display. The onboard navigation. Traffic icon's going to show you those troubled spots on the road, so you can plan your trip around that. Projection for enabled smartphones, so things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, well looked after. And the phone icon, of course, allows you to pair your devices up. And in reverse, you get that full color rear backup camera with trajectory. Dual zone climate control for heating and air conditioning. You got your AC button there, fan speed operator, front and rear defrosters. And as you can see, you've got heated seats, both driver and passenger side. Power adjustable pedals. Traction control. Cargo lamps. Parking sensors on off, and you do have the front and rear parking sensors here. Hill descent control. 2 USB, 2 12 volt, and 3-prong power. So well looked after for connectivity. Got some storage space, pair of cup holders, and a wireless charging pad. So if you have a compatible smart device, you can get his charge up there as you drive. 2 USB, auxiliary, 12 volt, and the premium floor mats will be found both front and rear. Your OnStar services just there at the rear view mirror. Garage door openers and a full powered slide and tilt sunroof. Control is located right here, very close to the driver, so you can pop that open and control that while you're keeping your eyes on the road and one hand on the wheel. There's your tilt function. And I'm going to swing this around here to give a better look. There you go. Sliding rear window. Storage above. And another look at that key fob here. Shows you've got remote starts and the alarm fob. Alright, so you got those 20-inch fuel wheels. Get a bit closer look here. The Goodyear Duratrac tires. GMC branded mud flaps. Take a look at the rear profile. You got the corner steps there, both left and right. Hookups there for trailer and hitch, heavy duty trailering package, the all-terrain badging here on the right hand side, and that GMC branded hard tonneau cover. A locking tailgate, which is easy lift and lower. I'll pop out the key fob here and open that up. There you go, nice and smooth and quiet. You also have that spray-on box liner here to protect the truck. Don't forget it. Don't worry about scratching. Don't worry about denting. Throw anything you want back here. It's going to take the brunt of it. The tie downs throughout, the LED box lights below. You got the body color grille accents there, the front parking sensors, the fog lights, the front tow hooks, body colored mirror caps, body colored door handles, the all-terrain badging once again, the off-road steps. Take a look into the back here. Room for 3 across the back, all leather upholstery. Premium floor mats continue. Got 12-volt power there for your passengers to plug into, and a split bench seat, so if you need some more space. Both sides of that 60/40. Just that simple to handle. And you got that red stitching again, soft touch materials, and nice deep tinted glass located throughout.